if you're going to put a sleeve on a quilt, first you would do is take a 9-inch piece of fabric, fold it in half, and you'd pin it along the top edge of your quilt, and you'd catch it when you sew it into the binding. Then you've got this flappy piece we have to hand sew. We don't hand sew it. We flip the entire quilt over, we bring the quilt back, and we use the same blind hem stitch, but we mirror it. And we do straight into the sleeve and bite into the back. It catches in the batting, and it doesn't show on the front. So you can put your sleeve down in about 5 minutes.
But how stable is that?
It is very, very strong.
Yeah, because, I mean, just...
Well, you have to think you're doing a stitch every 1/8 inch. And it's with monofilament, which is very durable. So we've hung king-size quilts like this for years and never had an issue. My sleeves never pop off. So it is much sturdier. Now, if you like to hand sew, just follow the directions. Let's start with the binding on the front, bring the fold back to the back, and hand sew it in place. That's the only difference between the techniques. Okay?
I've used that stitch all year long because I